This case involves the failure of a PAS, or Personal Alert Safety System, that was used by a firefighter. The animation shows that upon opening the air cylinder valve, the low air bell sounds to demonstrate to the wearer that it is functioning. The PAS device is an alarm that is intended to sound loudly and flash lights after a set duration of non-movement by the wearer. The wearer has the option of shutting off the alarm manually if he is not in distress and is simply standing still. The PAS is supposed to rearm automatically in this case. The PAS device did not rearm. And the firefighter became trapped in a burning building. As his air supply dwindled. The alarm did not sound or flash. His fellow firefighters were unable to find him, and he perished.